On this episode, I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Yeah! Perfect shot!
Zack's new delivery service. Go, go, Power Rangers!
Yeah, he's heading on. Nice. Way to go, Ranger.
V12 lifestyle backpacks coming soon.
Who's gonna win? Me or John? Ah! Sorry, I couldn't hold on anymore. We are back from our vacations. John's back from his vacation. I'm back from Yellowstone. And so we've got some cool stuff we're gonna show you. I found a bison, and I found a bear, and I found a mud puddle. Everything I ever hoped for. And I found some videos of John doing flips down the beach. Like, remember the sand dunes? Yep, he did it again. John goes to Oregon. You won't believe what happens next. He does backflips down the beach. So now I'm gonna go up to 8080, drop some stuff off, and then I'll be back. So I'll see you in a minute. Still have the Jeep, only for a couple more days though. We have to return it on Friday. Bummer. Oh well. We're gonna get something else cool. So that's where we're gonna go. Right now we're gonna go 8080, like I said. And then we're gonna go up to my cousin Ryan's shop and car dealership. And we're gonna look at some cars to buy. So we'll see. Maybe we'll get a Range Rover. You guys, I told you I was coming to 8080. The next giveaway car's right there. I can see it, but you can't. Sorry. It's awesome. It's way awesome. But actually, I think this is cooler. Wouldn't you just love to win this car and $30,000? $30,000! And a Supra. A 6-speed Supra. The only thing that would make it better is if it was orange. Yep, with the arm. Yep. And then look, here's Brandon's car. Hey, Levi. There's the Corvette. Brandon Meredith. For real though, why don't you just go ahead and win this car? Here, I'll show you the new giveaway car right there. I'll turn just for a second. Boom. Ha ha. That's a truck. And it's not a dream car giveaway, that's for sure. Okay, on to the next stop. We're gonna go look at your Range Rover, Christine. Your future Range Rover, hopefully. Okay, we'll see you over there. So many choices. Huh, interesting. Interesting. I have to remember that this car is for Christine. That might be exactly what you want, right? I want this. I love Ryan's Discovery too. What do you think? Is there anything you want? No? What were you pointing out over here? The weird Mitsubishi? That's what you want? What about this one? That one does have the keys in it. Probably because it won't start. Just kidding, I love you, Mercedes. Another one, that's a fun one. Man, he has everything. If only there was a sink. Get it? Everything and the sink. all road. What do you think of that? Nod. I like it. Should we get an all road? Maybe. I like it. We didn't find anything we wanted to buy. I did want that though, and that, but I wanted that, but I'm gonna get a Range Rover. It has to either be a Discovery or a supercharged Range Rover. It just doesn't have enough superchargers for me. That one does, but whatever. Maybe next time. We came, we saw, there wasn't anything that we wanted to buy right now for an SUV for Christine. So maybe next time we'll come back, see what he has, or maybe we'll just have him find us something on the auction. But not much else going on. Just have to come back and drive some of these beauties now. So much work to get them out right now though, and it's raining, so I don't really want to take any of them out in the rain. But we'll see you next time, and let's go flash back to the gym and see John and me doing our stuff over there. Did some funny stuff, some slam dunks. But anyway, we'll go back there, and we'll see you guys next time. So thanks for coming.
Like a monkey. Here we go. Ah!
Hey, if you saw any cars here that you liked and that you maybe want to buy, all you gotta do is call that number. I almost fell in a hole. Call that number, ask for Josh. Tell him Zack sent you. Check him out.